Hey, what's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your Instagram accounts which has been disabled for violating their terms, and it's gonna work 100%. So let's just start it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Alright, so here's my Instagram account. It's not that kinda. Let me just log into my real account, which I'm going to. As you can see, your account has been disabled for violating our terms. Alright, learn more. Alright, we'll cancel it for now. And let me just type my password. Alright, done. Now just tap on the OK. As you can see, it's showing account has been disabled. Learn more. Click on the learn more, and if you, as you can see, your account has been disabled for not following our terms. As you can see, if you want to learn the terms, as you can see, it will be here. The terms you didn't followed. Alright, maybe some mistakes also. So for that you need to click on the, if you think this was a mistakes, please let us know. So just tap over here, let us know. Then as you can see over here, there's some option. If you believe that your account has been deactivated by mistake, please provide the following information so that we can investigate. So for now, in this, is this account used to represent a business product or service? Just click no and just type your full name like this. Now tap over the username, so just type your username like this, which your account has been disabled. Just type the account disabled username, the same ID. Now just type the email address of this account like this. Now just tap the here and type your country name. Done, everything is done. Just tap send. Just wait for a while. Alright, it's done. Alright, so then after this last step, you need to just check your email and you'll get some email like this: my Instagram account has been deactivated, so thanks for contacting us. Before we can help, we need you to confirm that you own this account. Alright, so please reply to this email. So you need to just reply with this email with your attach a photo of yourself holding a handwritten copy of the code below. So you need to add some passport photo and you need to type the handwritten this code 45 something this, and make sure your photo you send and includes above code and handwritten on a clean sheet of paper. Just take any clean sheet paper and followed by your full name and user ID and with this code. Alright, so just reply to them. Now within 24 to 48 hours you'll get a reply from them and your account will be activated immediately. Alright, so thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you on the next video. Alright, so peace out.